Hi there, I'm Wyden Foust. I'm the CEO of Spatial, and our data powers companies to help you navigate like a local anywhere in the world. It was about 2 years ago today, I was on a research trip to Nashville. When I got there, I realized that my house was sandwiched in between a factory and a strip club, the last place that I wanted to be. The issue here is that there's no way to tell what an area is like until you get there, and by then, it's already too late. And that's why we resort to this. First you're here on Google, and then you're here, and then you're here, and then you're here, then all of a sudden you have 16 tabs open. After hours of research, you're more confused and less informed. Our company was started on the fundamental insight that over every city, there's an invisible layer of social data that's pouring out every second. Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Flickr. We asked ourselves, why with all this data, can we not ask a simple question and get a simple answer? And that's why we created Spatial. It's the world's first layer of social data around cities that answers questions only a local would know. Questions like this. All right, we're in San Francisco. Let's say we want to see the artsy areas. How about an artsy coffee shop? It can get more specific. You're on a date, and you want to see the sunsets in San Francisco. What's the best area? Right here. All right, what if you want to see a restaurant with great sunset views? And what if you wanted it to be vegan? Get the slanted door. All right, maybe you're in the mood for history. Where can we find history? The San Francisco History Center, hiking. What if we are in the mood for soccer? You can find soccer. Or for the families, show me a family event tonight, and we have breakfast with Santa. These are questions that would have taken hours to research. We just answered them in seconds. How do we pull it off? For the first time, we're combining social science and data science and using it as a lens to cut through 31 different sources of social data and pushing it live over hundreds of cities. We have an industry standard API business request model where we charge recurring revenue for access to our data. And companies have been asking us a lot of questions. In fact, since we started, we have companies from travel to real estate, automotive to urban planning. They're all asking the same fundamental question that I had in Nashville. What is this area like? And that's why in 10 months since starting the company, we've brought on 12 companies to use spatial data. So 5 months ago, our company moved to Detroit because we had a vision for the automotive and mobility industry. We imagined a world where even your cars, you can navigate like a local. And I am proud to announce today that we are partnering with the Ford Motor Company to make that vision a reality. And this is the team that's making it happen. We have social researchers like ethnographers and data scientists that believe the day of static maps is over, and the day when urban planners can see cities change throughout time, when your automobiles become socially aware, when your gadgets and your handheld devices understand the environment around them, the day where you can navigate like a local anywhere in the world, that day is today. We are Spatial, and we are reinventing the way that humans interact with maps. Thank you.